Hi students, welcome back to Taekwondo class. I am your instructor. My name is Amarnath Ramaya Krishna. I am first degree black belt from Taekwondo Association of Karnataka. Okay students, let's begin the class. Everybody, cheer. Kyungi, Taekwondo. Right palm out, students out. Repeat, I shall follow the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands down. 5 tenets: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Jumbi? Okay students, let's begin our warm-up exercises. Hands on your hip, look up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shrug your shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Swing your arms, open your arms out and swing your arms to the left and towards the right together. 1, 2, 3. Try to turn your hip, okay? The way, as the arms are you going to swing, turn your hip, okay? 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay. One hand up, both the hands up. Okay. First hand, push your hip down. One side up. Now the other hand out, straight, and push it towards the side. You should feel the stretching. Okay. Up. Hands on your hip. Rotate your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Okay. Now sit-ups. Hands on your knees. Sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up. Okay. Open your leg, one shoulder distance, and one toe up, and touch your toe and push it up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should feel the stretch on your calf muscles. Now change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up. Stick your right leg forward. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now hands on your hip. Okay. Stand on your toes. Heel up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Students, it's very important you have your calf muscles strong. That's when the kicks are very powerful. You're going to get kicks very powerful. So let's do the exercise to strengthen your calf muscle. Okay. Okay. Hands on your hip. It's a very simple exercise, but a very comfortable exercise. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only heel up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it 25 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know it's going to pain. It's okay, but continue doing it. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, you should feel the pain. Okay, it's going to be for a day or 2, then it's going to be normal. Okay, students? Now we will start with the class with the walking stance. Walking stance, middle punch. Okay, I hope everybody knows walking stance, middle punch, but let me brief you again. Ready? Come to Jumbi position, walking stance, middle punch. So we'll go with the right punch first and having the right leg forward. Okay, ready? Go. You see this stance? This is called as walking stance. Now what I have done here is, I have taken the right leg forward, okay, and right punch straight, shoulder straight, hip straight, okay, middle punch. This is middle punch. Now I will advance 2. You see, it's at the center. There are 3 lines basically in Taekwondo. One is the center line, the chest line, and the side line. This is at the center line. Now retreat back, middle punch. 1, down, up, down. 2. Okay, students, it's very important. There are 3 things which goes at a time. 1, your breath control. 2, your punch, and your land. All the 3 things has to be in one sync. Then only you can generate more power. Okay, it's something like this. You see, you go down, up, and you land, your punch, and your breath control has to be in one sync. 2. Okay, students, this is advanced. Okay, let me show you the high punch. Okay, standing in the same position, advance again. High punch will be at your eye level. Jumbi position. You see, it's at your eye level. It's basically, we call it, in a simple terms, we call it as a face punch. 2. Retreat. 1, 2. Okay, Jumbi. Okay, students, let's do low punch. Low punch is at the belt level. Okay, students, same thing, it's at the belt. Low punches should go below the belt level because it's against the rules of Taekwondo. It may be kick or it may be punch. None of them should be going below the belt level. Okay? Okay. Below, let's do low punch. 1, you see, at the belt level. 2, retreat. 1, 2. Okay, students? Jumbi? Okay. Let's do all the 3 punches. I'll do it simultaneously. First the higher punch, then the middle punch, and the lower punch. Both forward and backward. Now first, let's do the high punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. Jumbi. Middle punch. 1, 2. Retreat. 1, 2. Okay, Jumbi. Low punch. 1, 2. Retreat. 1, 2. Sorry. Okay, students, clear? Jumbi. Okay. Loosen your arms. Loosen your legs. Okay. Let's do 10 push-ups. Okay. Measure your shoulders according to it, the width. Measure it, and 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Good. Okay, students. Now you can take a 30 seconds break and we will continue. Okay, in case if you want to take a sip of water, you can continue. But otherwise, if you're good, we will continue. Okay, let's continue. Okay, students. So I'll just stand the way place I am. You can take a sip of water and come back. Okay? Wait. Don't. Go take a sip of water and come back. Okay? Okay, students, let's start. Okay. Now, students, we will do kicks. Okay, we will do basic kicks. First kick, the rising kick. Then the second kick will be side kick. The third kick will be the inside kick. One is the outside kick, then the inside kick. Then we will have front kick. 4 kicks to begin with. There are totally 6 kicks. 1, the rising kick. 2, outside. 3, inside kick. 3 and the fourth will be front kick. 5th will be outer cousin kick. 6th will be inner cousin kick. Okay. I will show you all the kicks, 2 counts each, but you will have to practice every kick. And I will also tell you the differentiation between all the kicks. It's very simple and you can notice it very easily. Okay, students? Good. Okay. Jumbi. Okay. To show this kick, I'm going to show it to you in fighting stance. I will not show it to you in the walking stance. I will show it to you in the fighting stance. Okay. When I say Jumbi, fighting stance, you're going to take your right leg back and come to fighting position. Jumbi, ready? Go. Okay. Jumbi. Go. Good. Okay. Now, rising kick. Rising kick, you're going to take your leg straight up. Straight up. You're not going to bend your knees. You're not going to bend your knees. And just straight back. It's very simple, but very, very effective. This is one of the powerful kicks. Okay. Ready? 1. Straight. 2. Because you can call this also drop kick. You can drop. Now you can drop and kick from your hitting tool, that's the toe. Right? This is the ball of the foot. You can just snap it from top. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Change, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good? Okay. Now, this is rising kick. The second kick, what we learn today, will be front kick. Okay, front kick, very simple. Fighting position. Ready? Front kick. While front kick, the hitting tool will be the ball of your foot. Okay, students? The ball of your foot. So it will go straight. While kicking, the hip turns also. Okay, 1 and up. 2, down. It's very important while you're taking your leg up, the knee, it has to at least raise above your belt level. So the kick will go straight. If not, if you raise your kick here only, your kicks will not go forward. I mean, it will not raise. So it's important the knee lifts up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students? Jumbi, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students? Good. Jubi. This is second kick. That is front kick. Rising kick, front kick. Now, let's do side kick, okay? Side kick is very simple. Only thing is you have to make sure it goes 45 degrees. Side kick, I'm sorry, this is, side kick will be 45 degrees, not straight at the 90 degrees, okay? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Jubi, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good students? Jubi. So you need to learn this. This is outside kick. Okay. Now what we do is inside kick. Okay. Ready? Come to Jumbi position. Coming to walking stance. I'm sorry, fighting stance. Now inside the kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Jumbi. Left leg. Inside kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students? Now this is the fourth kick. Students, there is one is outer cousin kick, the other one is inner cousin kick. And we have another kick, that is turning kick. All these kicks I'll help you. I'll teach you in the next class. For now, these 4 kicks you need to practice. Rising kick, front kick, outside kick, and inside kick. Okay? Each kick you're going to practice at least 10 times each. Okay, students? Good? Okay, very good. Now let's cool down. Let's cool down exercise, which is very important, which improves while doing your cool down, you absorb a lot of air, which is very important for your muscles to relax. Okay, now let's sit down. Sit down. Okay, students, I missed to tell you before cool down, let's do some abdominal. Okay, abdominal exercise. We'll do 10 counts each. Okay, go down. Okay, the most effective one is both front and back crunching together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Okay. Now we'll do one more set, but this will help you to your lower abdomen. Okay. So hands below your back. Okay. So that you can get a good support. Now you're going to raise and drop it down, but you're not going to land your leg down. Okay, you will not land your both legs down. Okay, ready? Up, down, but you're not going to land it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. Up. Go back students. Okay, tuck your right leg in. Okay, and hold your toes in the knees. This, push your toes in, push your toes forward, in, out. Okay, put your forehead to your knees, turn, the other leg now. Hold your toes, front, back. Touch your forehead to your knees. Up, turn, up, turn. Okay. Get to butterfly position. One, two, three, 4, 5. I'm sure a lot of your students are enjoying the sweat. Many a times sweating is very important. Otherwise also sweating is very important because it takes out the toxins from your body, and it's a very good feel when you get a good sweat, when you get sweat while you work out. Okay, good students. Out, tap, tap, tap your thighs, shake your legs. This is one of the wonderful exercises. I really enjoy this after the workout. Such a good feel. I hope you are enjoying it. Okay students, nice, good. Stand up. Okay. Turn towards your left, check your uniform. Okay students. Okay. Okay. Students, let's meet in the next class. So this class we learned walking stance with punches, high, middle and low. Then 4 kicks. One is the rising kick, front kick, outside and the inside kick. Next class we will learn more techniques. Till then, keep practicing. Okay students? Cheerio. Kyungi, Taikon. Jubi. One step back. Cheerio. Go to the class. Taikon. Class, disperse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay students, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next class. Stay safe and keep practicing. See you then. Bye bye.